What's up, guys? Welcome to Average Mics. Today we're going to continue with the kitchen remodel. Today's video is going to be basically we're going to try to finish up the sheetrock around the soffit that we built, and then put together or finish up the ceiling, and basically hopefully we can get the paint in this video, and that'll all be done. So let's not mess around. Let's get right to it. Let's go. Alright guys, so while I was waiting for that to dry, I did a couple of the corner beads. Not very good at corner beads, but it'll do. So now that this is, it's still a little wet, but we'll be fine. I'm going to start putting the ceiling tile back up. Alright guys, it's going to be the end of the video here. As you can tell in the video, this is where we're at. Soffit's pretty much done. Or actually, soffit is done, sorry. Worked on this wall as well. As you can see, still some dust left over. I just finished sanding. So this wall has to be painted, obviously. And then we have the stuff to cap it. I bought a bunch of stuff ahead of time before they really started locking down everything. So I should have some stuff to do still. I also have, excuse the mess, but I also have a bunch of smart switches and slave switches that we're going to be putting in. We can do those probably in the next video. All right, I did throw out the old cabinets because I think the cabinets are going to be delayed. Oh, and I put in our new oven. It's a Samsung. Everything was Samsung. I wanted to match all the finishes to the refrigerator. There's the black stainless steel. I do have a dishwasher that I'm probably going to do next. But so I think the cabinets are going to be delayed. Well, honestly, it's been, they said 14 business days. It's been 15 thus far. So obviously it is delayed. It's supposed to be at my house. They contacted me earlier this week. I guess that would be the 11th business day. And they said that the two cabinets alongside the dishwashers, they're both 18-inch base cabinets. And they said that they were back ordered, which I knew when I ordered. I just assumed, you know, we'll keep those cabinets there until the new ones come in. Wouldn't really stop me too much, but they called and verified. They tried throwing two 15s with 3-inch fillers on both sides, which I did not want, because why would I, you know, I'd rather wait than, even if it's, they were saying June or July, even if it's that long, I'd rather wait to make it look right. I didn't ask if it would stop the shipment of all the other cabinets that I ordered. But then the day after, I emailed my salesperson from Lillian Cabinets and asked, just making sure that all the rest of the cabinets are still coming. And he hasn't responded. So I'm a little disappointed with that, I will say. I wouldn't have expected the cabinets to be here on time because of everything that's going on in the world today. But I would say on Friday, about a week ago, there was an email sent out from like the CEO or owner, I don't know, from Lillian Cabinets. It's a generic email saying that basically they are an essential business and they will be, although the showrooms may be closing, which they ended up closing, the couple showrooms that they have throughout the U.S., all the manufacturing and shipping would be on time. No delays. They expected no delays. Well, clearly mine's delayed. So again, I wouldn't have really been upset if it's the communication too. Like I don't know what this guy's doing, but so right now they got a little bit of a strike against them. Again, because they sent out an email saying they weren't delayed. So I'm waiting, and I haven't heard back from the salesperson. So I'm going to end up calling customer support or what have you, and we'll get down to the bottom of it. But yeah, so that's all I have for today for this video. Please like, share, subscribe. If you turn on the post notifications if you want a notification for the next video that comes on, and I guess I'll see you next time. Later.